All right, so you've been involved in a car crash. It may or may not have been your fault, but you're looking to assert a claim. One thing you need at the beginning of any case is you need your police report. So how do you go about getting that? The obvious answer is contacting the investigating police officer or the investigating agency. A lot of the times they'll give you a small card at the scene of a wreck so that you can contact either the officer or the agency to request a copy of your report. That usually takes 3 to 5 days and sometimes can take weeks if there's a DUI investigation or some other investigation that is not related to just the simplicity of the crash. The other options are there's a website called BuyCrash. BuyCrash is a website that allows people to get their wreck reports from different states, whether that's Georgia or others. In Georgia, we get those all the time, and we primarily use BuyCrash. Attorneys can help walk you through the process of getting your police report and making sure it's saved to your file early so you know who the other driver's insurance company is and what your treatment options might be and who you should be contacting in order to get your property damage claim paid and your medical bills covered. Reach out to the attorneys at HS Law. We look forward to helping you.